Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I'm really excited to be giving you a tour around this Volkswagen approved used Tiguan R-Line, which is a 2-litre diesel automatic, 200 PS, 4-motion drive, finished in a Reflex Silver metallic paint. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty, so if you'd like to find out more information then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So beginning a 360-degree walk around and starting at the front, we have your LED matrix headlamps, which is an additional option, which are designed to illuminate the roads ahead. The exterior is complemented by these 20-inch Marzano black diamond turn alloy wheels, which look incredible. Then we have your electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors, followed by your black fitted roof rails, as well as your rear privacy glass, really tying everything together. Your tinted windows will also help to regulate the car's temperature to keep a full car comfortable. Taking a look inside the interior, we have your Vienna leather finish, which is another additional option. We've got the contrast stitching running through the seats with plenty of space available in this Tiguan. We do also have the centre seat acted as an armrest for additional comfort. We have your mats both front and rear. Then we do also have climate controls available in the rear to keep your passengers comfortable, as well as a USB point to charge media devices on the go. Another additional option does include your rear camera, which will ensure parking is incredibly easy with the additional support from your front and rear parking sensors. Then next, showing you a highlight inside the boot, you will not be disappointed as we have plenty of room to store successful shopping trips, multiple suitcases, even a pram. Then we do have the option to fold down the rear seats to extend the capacity further. Great additional option on this Tiguan includes your trailer manoeuvring system. So pressing your finger on the control for a few seconds, a tow bar will pop out the bottom, so you just have to manually move this yourself. And then the same applies for popping it back in, so this is perfect for towing any trailers or caravans. The current mileage of this Tiguan R-Line is 12,290 miles. And then showing you a glance inside the front interior, we have a heated multi-function steering wheel, followed by your R-Line embossed front heated seats to ensure you and your front passenger receive the most desirable experience. Then we do have electric adjustments as well as your memory feature available to help you find the most safe and comfortable position. Then we have your panoramic sunroof, which is another additional option, really brightening up the interior and enhancing your experience further. That does conclude a 360-degree walk around. So the next part of the video, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping inside the car, you will find your multiple electric mirror and window adjustments and the central locking in the driver's door. Just to the right of the wheel, you'll find your automatic lights. This will really benefit you if you're someone who forgets to turn them on. Then moving on to your R-Line embossed heated multi-function steering wheel featuring your touch sensitive controls. So here we can access some of the car's features directly without removing our hands. This does include the adaptive cruise control, which is really handy for motorway driving. Then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customize your driver information and settings, which is in your digital cockpit pro. So as you can see, you can have your satellite navigation displayed directly in front of you. You can also change the view to extend the map. Next, moving on to your infotainment system. So here we can access a wide range of functionalities. So firstly, going into radio, we have access to your FM and DAB radio, where you can save your favourite stations to your preset lists. We do have the Bluetooth telephone preparation, allowing you to pair your phone to the car to make hands-free calls, as well as your app connection, so you can seamlessly display your phone apps through the vehicle, such as your music, maps, contacts and messages. This car does feature your satellite navigation, so you can have this displayed either on your infotainment system or directly in front of you. This is the perfect addition for helping you plan your routes. And then we do also have your driver mode selection, so we have your 4 preset options to choose your driving style, which will further enhance your driving experience. And when putting the car into reverse, your rear parking camera will appear on the screen, so this will help you with tight manoeuvres and help you to park up nice and safely. You do also have the additional support from your front and rear parking sensors that will give off an audio warning, as well as additional support from your park assist, so you'll never need to worry about parking up again. Other great safety features do include your side assist, with your lane assist, your trailer recognition, your dynamic road sign display, your front assist, your driver alert system, as well as your adaptive cruise control. This car does feature a 3-zone climate control, offering you and your front passenger individual airflow as well as your rear passengers. So not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but it's also nice and easy to use. And then here we can access your 3-point front heated seating, ensuring you and your front passenger are cosy in the winter months. Just below we do have 2 USB points, as well as your wireless phone charging system, which is an additional option. This will prevent wires from being all over your centre console. Then we do have your keyless start. This car's automatic. We have an electronic park brake with auto hold. This car is a 4-wheel drive. We have some hidden cup holders, as well as some additional storage space underneath your armrest. And then finally, giving you another quick highlight in your panoramic sunroof. So as you can see, this really brightens up the interior. It's perfect for the sunny weather. So just using the controls above, we can easily open and close the roof. And then we do have access to your electric sunlight on there as well. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used Tiguan R-Line, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.